translate and stuff. I have to translate.
Chop chop.
Niko na swali kuhusu chakula wanatupatia kapenta na maragi.
He's saying he's having a question with regard to the kapenda and beans that you are giving to us.
The beans or the ration which they're giving to us as the refugees, is it for deduction as they do last the previous 2 months as those other mice they will bring it to us, or is it a free off?
They are asking whether it's a free offer or something will be taken away from them.
And the other question is, they said as we can be together as a Mozambican, we are all refugees. And it's been a long time the mattress was inside the house, the warehouse, where they give us the distribution. So now it's like they devise us because they're giving them per person. And since we are here, I have 10 years here in Tongogara, I never get a mattress. From 2015, I get a...
Okay.
The pot and the plate, non-food items. And we can only use only one year and they can be image, you understand? But them, when they came, we want one project. Second time they receive also when they get a mattress. So us from 2015 we never get anything. So we are like we are using the food which is not like a rice anymore.
It's all about donation.
We can use our food. That is the only one I can say. We want to be all together. Also they give them, they can also give us because we are all refugees. My name is Amani. So